are some hard days. We've had some heartache, more than enough. Long are these cold nights. Feels like there's no light, and fear says give up. And there is nothing that takes him by surprise. You aren't forsaken.